Welcome back, everyone. Today we are going to go straight to the beach with the Beach Please. For this cocktail, we are going to be shaking it, so make sure you've got your shaker tins ready. Jigger for accurate measurements. This is going to go in a rocks glass. I do recommend a little bit bigger or taller of a rocks. Oh, wow, that came out funny. Toweler. Anyway, we are going to be using cranberry juice, pineapple juice, peach schnapps, as well as coconut rum. Now, we are not using fresh juice, so for this one, we are just going to be using our Hawthorne strainer. We won't need to use our mesh strainer. As always, ingredient list is going to be listed down below. That way you can build the cocktail right along with me. So we're going to start with 2 ounces of our cranberry juice. Oh, for Pete's sake. You can make it, buddy. Then 2 ounces of our pineapple juice. I'm just make sure that this is nice and shaken up. And then we need 1 full ounce of our peach schnapps. And then 1.5 ounces of le coconut rum. All right. And then, as always, we are going to add ice to this. We're going to shake for about 15 to 20 seconds or until it's ice cold in our hands.
What's that ingredient?
I don't know. Oh, look, this is what happens when you have a proper sized ice bowl for your larger scoopy scoops. All right. All right, and we are going to add ice to our rocks glass as well. I'm going to do about halfway up with ice. Let me get my Hawthorne strainer out here. Be a nice little light pinky color. I do have a little bit left in my shaker tin, but that's about as full as I want it. So in theory, I should have had a larger glass, but that's okay. Wow, whoever cut this thing
Stop it.
needs some help. I apparently need to have a garnish video next. So my manager doesn't know how to cut stuff. But anywho, there it is, the Beach Please. This one is going to be extreme. I've had this one so many times. I don't know why it took me this long to get it. Maybe because we're getting closer to summer and Mother Nature is just really, really rude. And I'm just thinking of a beach at this point. But it's going to have more of like a peach forward flavor to it. Hint of coconut. You honestly really don't taste a whole lot of the cranberry juice with this one. And of course, a decent amount of pineapple. But the peach comes through so nicely. So refreshing. But don't forget, guys, if you like the cocktails, my gorgeous face, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you're trying the cocktails or if there's any cocktails in particular that you would like me to do on the channel. And, maybe just pop in to say hi because I like talking to you guys. Until the next pour, cheers!